Using $1 Arduino module like this one, which is microphone module for Arduino projects, I'm gonna show you how you can build an interesting and cool project. Let's start. Here I have a LED strip and LED rings using the very famous programmable chip, and the model is WS2812B NeoPixel LEDs. And using these LEDs I'm gonna show you, as I said, a cool project. About this microphone module, I have a full dedicated video that I bought it from AliExpress for $1, and you can make awesome projects using this module and Arduino board. And in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make a very simple but cool looking VU meter or music reactive LEDs. Okay, this module have 4 pins: ground, positive, digital output and analog output. We're gonna use them three pins: positive, negative and analog output. Let's connect. This is positive, negative and analog output. These 3 wires are connected on the Arduino board. Analog output from the microphone module goes out on analog input A0, and the positive go to the positive pin of the Arduino board, and negative wire from the module go to the negative pin of Arduino board. That's it. And the next is to connect the programmable NeoPixel LEDs, also 3 wires, positive, negative and signal pin. That signal pin goes on digital pin number 5. In today's example I'm using this LED strip which have 40 plus LEDs just to demonstrate the VU meter. But before, you need to program the Arduino board and upload the code. The code you can download in description below. Here it is, the code, and you need to change the pin data. In my case I'm using pin number 5, and how many LEDs? Let's count 40. You can change that. That's it, and then just upload to the Arduino board. That's it. Power on. Okay, let's test it. Working. Let's play some music. Working great, and it's a simple VU meter using LED, programmable LED strip and Arduino board and microphone module. I forgot. I'm gonna kill the lights so you can see better the effect. Beautiful. Stop the music. Play. Play. That was all for today's video presentation of how you can make a DIY VU meter for music using Arduino board, NeoPixel LEDs and microphone module. I hope you like it. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!